Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. So today we have Karnataka's most favorite recipe, that is Massoppu, that translates to Haribari dal. So let's learn how to make it. To make our Massoppu, I have taken 4 types of green leaves over here. You can opt for any 2 or any one also. Here I have methi leaves. Here I have Palak. Here I have amaranthu leaves, or in Kannada it's called Soppu. Here I have sabsige or dill leaves. Here I have half cup of dal. Here I have 2 tomatoes. Here I have 1 diced onion, 6 green chilies. Here I have half onions finely chopped. Here I have for temperament, I have Jeera, I have mustard seeds, I have little garlic, and I have some curry leaves. Here I have garlic. Here I have turmeric powder and Dhania powder. Dhania powder is optional. Let's learn how to make it. We'll add all our greens to the cooker. We'll add our washed dal. Here I have taken 1 cup of dal. Let's add in our 2 chopped tomatoes. We'll add in our 1 diced onion and 6 green chilies. Instead of green chili, you can take red chili also. Here we have garlic. I have taken approximately 2.5 glasses of water. I'm going to put it in it. Now I've cooked this for 3 whistles and it's done. Let's see how it's come. It's cooked fully. Now we'll mash it. If you want to reduce the water, you can reduce, or you can mash it just like that. Now we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric and 2 spoons of Dhania powder, and we'll mix it. We'll boil this for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to add crystal salt. I've approximately taken 2 spoons. You can boil it on high flame or low flame or whatever. Doesn't make a difference. For temperament, I'm going to take half spoon of oil. Now our oil is heated. We'll add all our temperament ingredients. We'll add our onion. Here it's half finely chopped onion. Here, if you want, you can add red chili also. Once this changes its color a little, we'll add it to our Massoppu or Haribari dal. Now this has been boiling for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. I've boiled it nicely on high flame. You can boil it for more time also until you get your required consistency. Now we'll move it to our serving dish. Now we have transferred our dal or Massoppu to a serving dish. We'll add our temperament. I have cooked it so much, like it's translucent. You can cook it either lesser or more, however you want. Now our Massoppu is ready to serve with mudde, rice or chapati even. Now our Massoppu is ready.
What?
Now we'll give our mudde to my dad.
Whoa, thank you.
Bye-bye.